Hi, I'm Ajitesh, CEO and co-founder of AI. In this course, we'll cover how to build AI teammates using our platform.
Some example of the teammates you should be able to create by the end of this course is an AI SDR that can demo your product, an AI calling agent that can do cold call lead qualification, an AI interviewer which can interview candidates for you. Now, these all sounds very different, but the core principle behind building them is very similar. So in this first video, I'll just cover 3 parts of building this AI teammates. The step 1 is that you describe this agent to our system, and you could do this by just hopping onto this Omnibox, or you can also remix an existing agent and start from there. Let me start by putting a prompt here. So I'll just copy this pre-created prompt here and I'll put it here. So in this case, what we are trying to ask here is to create a cold call scenario for an education counselor who has to ask a couple of questions and categorize the lead. So once you place enter, we have some prompt behind the scene that helps mold this into the scenario configuration or the agent configuration that our system understands. You could also have done this via doing a remix here. What remix does is to create a version of this agent in your profile. So once this is done, you can also tweak it again by talking to the agent here. So once the step 1 is done, step 2 is adding the tools and configuration, like tweaking it to according to your experience that you want at the end. For example, like what should be the rubric which the conversation should be measured? What are the tools that it should have access? For example, if it's a cold call, then you likely want it to be able to transfer to a human. If it's doing a demo of a product, then it should have a browser tool or a Google Slides to explain what it's trying to say. If it's general interviewer and other, then it might need a PDF to help users upload their resume. So once this is, and these are visual tools, but we also have example of data integration tools. For example, you might want to read data from CRM or put data into particular CRM or linear ticket and things like that. Those are all possible. So you'll spend some in the step 2 configuring this agent. And step 3 is deploying this agent. So agent can be shared by just generating a link, one-time share another. It can also be integrated in your application. It can jump on a phone call, receive a phone call. It can also be sent to a Google Meet and Zoom call. We'll dive deeper into it later in the course. For now, this is it for the first lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.